Check that out. Wow. Super cool. That's awesome. Very, very cool. I don't know how many people know that, there's an awesome light show going on right now. I know it's getting late. I'm glad I caught it. Thank you, Terry, for sending me the video. I mean, I knew there was storms out there and stuff, but I didn't know there's an awesome light show. Look at that, man. That's awesome. Thank you, Terry, for sending me the video. I would have missed this. Some of the best lightning I've seen in a while.